what's the opportunity looks like? Looking a couple of years ahead. Where you going to be working on, and even especially in the early stages in our businesses. You see, there's a hope, there's opportunities going to get bigger and bigger, or we built enough software that AI is simply going to integrate a bunch of softwares, and there's no need to build a lot of new softwares.
Ooh, okay, that's kind of a loaded question, but I'll say this much. It's like the internet. Um, Things are going to evolve, and those who evolve with it are going to stay, right?
Hmm.
You still need somebody to make sure, to monitor, to make sure that it's being utilized properly, and you still need somebody to run, sometimes build, especially now, monitor and make sure you improve. There's maintenance, there's growth. So, there's lots of different ways that you can integrate. I don't think that there's ever going to be a need where that is completely fulfilled by AI and there's no human,
Hmm.
involvement need whatsoever. I don't think that that's ever going to happen, but I do think that you have to learn to evolve with it. Companies are going to be transformed. They're not just going to disappear. They're going to be transformed. Now, those that don't adapt, yes, they're going to disappear. But the like telecommunications, for example, to this day they still run. To this
Hmm.
day we still need human interaction. And this is just my personal belief, just because I've been around AI so much. um, I think that the closer that AI gets to being as human as possible, the more there's going to be need for human interaction in this world. I've just been around AI so
Yeah.
much to see that, like, oh man, it's good to actually have a conversation with a human being, that doesn't sound so perfect, that doesn't sound,
Yeah.
so I think the more of that happens, the more we're going to need to actually um, get back to our roots of human interaction.